Hey guys, welcome
back.
We are at a place called the Ferry House. We thought we'd come and have a look at this. Looks pretty abandoned and pretty big. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like and a comment. Let's have a look and see what we've got. But yeah. This old stuff's amazing. I think it must have been a couple that lived there then. If you look, I think you see some of the pictures there, family pictures, heirlooms. It's just amazing how it's been left. It's an absolute pristine condition. You'll see that they're just that's the view they got on that. It's amazing. As we were coming in here, there was deer and everything all around. No, absolutely love that. Come into this room. It's a bit darker in here. Light fittings. See a door there. Plate's been smashed along there. Lovely old cabinet. We are going to have a look downstairs first. Just had a quick walk around because there are lights that have been left on. What's the other? Like a little stove thing there. Nice little organ.
It's massive in here.
It is, it's huge. This place is massive. And you'll see what I mean, the lights have been left on. And they've obviously been left on to deter people coming in. Like us. There you go, you'll see me. Beautiful. Lovely bay windows. Whole place just amazing. Look, it even goes down into here. Legs. It even comes down into this bit here. How nice. Looks like a nice little brew area.
Oh, how big it is.
And you got all the cutlery and that in there, which is lovely. Like a tea serving room.
Oh my god.
I'm not going down there.
No
No point going underneath. Must have been like a tea room or something. The old Zimmer frame. Absolutely mental. Mental to think that this has just been left. This must be worth millions, you know. Must have had a projector. Like you see the screen there, it must come down. Speakers, system. And then you would have had the projector hanging up there. Just trying to keep an eye, make sure. Oh wow. That is that swimming pool.
Oh my god.
That's how big this place is. Jesus Christ. It does stink in here. But yeah.
Oh, I've got the records and
I know, people have dumped stuff in there.
what do they get out of it? Don't get it.
God knows. Someone's like busted the door there like, just to get in. Which is a pain, but oh wow. Let me see. Wow. That's a lovely,
Just put the boat in.
yeah, lovely front room. And look, is that like an embroidery thing? They actually made that.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
It's crazy.
That's fixed, isn't it?
You got all the old sofas and settees. Nice set pink curtains. My kind of favourite thing, which is the fireplace. But not a proper fire, electric fire. Unfortunately, it would have been on. Would have had an on.
Can't win with you, can we?
No. Nice little ornaments though. Love the flowers. They obviously love their dogs. So you've got a dog here. You got 2 dogs up there as well. So they obviously love their dogs. But it's quite sad in a way. But this is another one that's got the light on. We came in and saw this and was like, right, we need to be careful, which we do. We're right near the front of the house. I think we're into the kitchen itself. Wow, that's absolutely lovely. When you look at this, look at that big table. That huge table in the middle. They obviously did all their work prepping and that of the food on there that you'll see in front of the house there. Got to be careful, it's on the main road. Quite a modern cooker, oven, I'll say. And then fridge, freezer, and all the storage places there. See if there's anything. No, they're empty. Come into here. Turn this on, a bit more light. Oh, the washer and dryer and that's still there. No idea what that is. And then we got obviously these old bits. What's up here? Wait, look at that. All the cleaning products up there. Got one upstairs, which the light is on up there. Another fridge, freezer, outhouse bit. Wow. Fire extinguishers and that all here. Old kettle. Crazy. And a little washing line there. It's mental. Just have a quick look down this end room. Another little storage area. Electricals, paints and glosses, all of there. Got another one with the storage bit. Paints and glosses again. Let's get a look up here. See what we got. There's a light on up here. Oh wow, this is the full upstairs. I didn't realise that. So that's the bathroom light that's been left on. This must have been an ensuite. No. Smashing the bloody guy. Typical. Bedroom. Bloody hell.
Why someone pulled the carpet off this? What are you doing?
I have no idea.
You put it back down.
What's in there? Shower. Separate little shower room. Bloody hell. Oh wow, look at that. bathroom.
Oh god, pink. Why have you got a pink bathroom?
I know, I'm looking at all the chairs. Look at the chairs, that's lovely. This must have been like another ensuite. There's another door there.
Someone's tried to kick that door down.
Shock horror. So we'll come into this another ensuite. Yeah, another toilet, another bath.
Jesus.
Oh wow, look at that. Mattresses galore down here. And then this lovely bit of kit here. That looks amazing. And then look, this is the sort of view you get from the window.
So I'm moving in, babe.
Yeah, I'd move in here, 100%. So I'm saying it's got to be worth millions. Bit of storage. Jesus Christ, look at this. Look at it, it's just amazing. 2 single beds still there.
It's beautiful.
I know. The chair, the dresser. Shame the mirror's been smashed off of that. That's lovely, that dresser. And then the wardrobe itself. That's obviously onto the ensuite.
Yes.
Someone's tried to bust in. Look at that. Lovely. Absolutely amazing. That someone would leave this alone. Don't leave all this stuff here. I get it, like if the people have died.
She did that.
She did, didn't she? Yeah.
So
I've got in here. Seems just like a mattress. Some bits of kit.
Well, no, sorry.
They're fighting over it or something like that, aren't they?
Yeah, one that's still renovated.
Property of Oxford Respiratory Medicine. Oh God. So, it's pretty crazy. Carry on moving it down. Oh, another bathroom. Oh no. Well, there is, but I mean I can't get in.
Because the loft thing. Oh, it's that loft thing up.
Ugh, it stinks.
What?
I don't know, but something's been in here.
That's poo, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Right, let's get out of there. It stinks in here.
Okay.
I don't really want to be in here.
What's on?
This is obviously the main stairwell there coming up. We took a bit of a shortcut. We're into another bathroom here. God, and another labyrinth of bedroom.
I've seen so many bathrooms in my life.
I know. Look at that. I wonder if she embroidered, whoever it was, embroidered that. Lovely bits of kit though. Another bedroom. Wow. Wow, look at that dresser.
Oh, what else? Look at that.
And it's just absolutely prestige, isn't it?
Pristine. Is that what you usually?
No, well yeah, actually I think it is. Look at that one there. Oh, I love it.